The first step is to connect the LEMO connector of the cable into the rear of the brake pedal sensor. Next, you'll need to locate the analog input connector and insert the unterminated end of the cable into the loop highlighted, securing it by tightening the 2 screws on either side of the cable entry. Now, insert the wire with the blue protective covering into the terminal marked with the number 15, tightening the terminal with a small flathead screwdriver until the wire is secure. Repeat this process with the yellow wire in terminal 14, the red wire in terminal 1, and the green wire in screw terminal 2. The connector should now resemble the example shown here. Attach the top side of the connector's housing and fix in place using the 2 small screws provided. Place the pedal sensor on top of the vehicle's brake pedal and insert the bolts into 2 corresponding holes on the plate. Line up the screws with the connecting back plate and tighten using a 6mm hex key until secure. Ensure the sensor is firmly attached to the pedal before use. Plug the cable into the analog input on the VBOX and tighten using the thumb screws on either side of the connector. You should now have a fully functioning brake pedal sensor.